Hi, I'm Nisha Siripurapu and I welcome you all back to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. Well, Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen was under review by YouTube and recently it has been declared as a proper commercial channel by them, and this is yet another milestone achieved by this channel. So for this, of course, I want to thank all of you. Each one of you who like, comment, share my videos and who never forget to give me a thumbs up. You are very special to me. And of course, all those who never forget to give me a thumbs down, you are also equally important for me, because for any person or any channel to function properly, appreciation and criticism both are mandatory. So on that note, we'll continue the ritual and I'll be sharing my today's recipe, which is uncooked oats. So many people have messaged me that they're diabetic and when they travel they don't know what to eat. So this video is specially for you. And here one thing I have forgotten to mention in the video is that you can add chia seeds also, and you can soak along with oats overnight, but again it's purely optional. So shall we start? It's a very simple recipe. Thank you so very much. So here comes a very colorful and very delicious recipe made out of oats. So next time when you are traveling, you know what you can have. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen by clicking on my picture above. I'll come again next week with one more healthy recipe. Till then, please take very good care of yourself. Thank you so very much.